While it is evident that we have been able to do a lot this year, we couldn't have done it. We couldn't have gone through all the obstacles that come our way and ultimately achieved all this without the support of multiple groups and individuals. So, I'm going to talk a lot. Sorry, guys. Thank you, Assemblywoman Amato, and your team for all your years of support. As you said, you've been here since we were sixth graders, 2017, so we appreciate you. We can always count on you every November to be there for our swearing-in ceremony and with the biggest smile on your face. Thank you for taking time out of your very busy schedule to come to our little school and aid us with everything we need. We as a student government have a vision, and your support is one of the main reasons they come to fruition. Thank you to our very own school leadership, Ms. Smythe, who has significantly elevated student voice by being accessible to students and not some higher authority we have no connection with. Under your leadership, we were able to have our first annual, and I will say annual because it will not end with us, it will continue for many years, Civic Spirit and Worldly Wonders celebration. Ms. Tuberty, she's here, but who has been there every step of the way. You do so much behind the scenes that many students don't understand. You make sure the athletic department is running smoothly and every player is happy. You make sure the school building is safe as one of the heads of our safety team. And you allow for many clubs to have trips this year, which is a huge improvement to all, so thank you. Ms. Vieira, for all the assemblies you have helped organize, highlighting student talent and performance, helping build the bridges between students, parents, and teachers, and being a key part of our school leadership team, spending countless of hours making the school an equitable place. And last but not least, Ms. Collin for handling all the middle school and AP testing. We do so much in the month of May, especially because it's AP season. You see that every student has the ability to take the test and make sure that nothing goes out without a hitch. So I thank you as one of those AP students. And I would just like to say that our school leadership is made out of very powerful women. So, you know. The media team for all your hard work throughout this year, but especially my fellow seniors, Mekhi and Patrick, for their above and beyond work. Patrick, you're at every event, whether it be Fort Tilden, Queens College, or Bayswater Park, live streaming it to make sure the family and friends at home have the ability to watch their loved ones perform. Your live streaming has elevated our school aesthetic, and many students utilize you and your hard work. Mekhi, you're here from 8 in the morning to 8 in the night with everyone. The theater department, honor society, assemblies, etc. The school genuinely is going to feel your absence. Even though you like to be behind the scenes and not take credit, you deserve it all. You and Patrick have taken some 6th grade elective with Mr. Pepe and turned it into a well-oiled machine. Additionally, to all the key club members and the rest of the media team, we thank you for working with student government this year and for the future year beyond. You guys deal with all our crazy ideas with grace, and we just want to say thank you. Last but not least, Ms. Newman, I have to give you the biggest thanks. You have been one of the best advisors the school has ever had. Granted, I've been here for only 7 years, but I had you for 6 of them, so I feel like I can say that. You are so organized, so smart, and so generous. I wish the school saw how much stuff you deal with. You handle everything with grace, and I aspire to have that character trait. You allow us to be independent individuals. You don't shoot us down when we have an idea. Instead, you enhance them and make it 10 times better than we imagined. I can go on about all the amazing things you do, but I'll leave you with this. Not all superheroes wear capes, and we have our own superhero in this building named Kimberly.
So thank you to Mr. Connolly for taking on middle school student government this year. Your dedication and commitment significantly aided in amplifying the voices of the middle school student body. And thank you to our middle school student government for your innovative ideas and perseverance. I'm sure we're all continuously impressed with your innovative ideas and perseverance this year. I'm sure you will all go on to do even greater things within the years to come. Thank you to the entirety of the high school student government who spent their time after school to ensure that all of our amazing ideas became a reality this year. Without your support and hard work, we would not have been able to achieve this much within our time as leaders. I firmly believe that you will all carry on to do so much more than we did this year. A special thanks to our fellow senior, Josephine. You became a vital part of student government in junior year, and even led alongside me as you took on the role as newsletter editor. I don't think I would have met all those newsletter deadlines without your diligent work. Thank you to Ms. Caraccio, who has always ensured there was food at each and every event. Thank you to Ms. Ben and Ms. Yanello, who have been a tremendous support to student government for countless years. We are grateful for all the time you have put into collecting student government Dress Down Day donations, as well as making our posters, putting them up, and doing much more. Thank you to Ms. Supple for constantly supporting school events and helping in getting student government involved with the PA. I remember the day of our hydroponic farm and grand opening, and many other events where I would see Ms. Supple pacing throughout the building, being in 10 places at once, in order to make sure everything was in order. We greatly appreciate all of her hard work. With that being said, it has truly been a pleasure to work alongside all of you, not just while being a leader this past year, but for all the past years I've been in student government. Throughout conversations and collaboration in times of struggle, I have learned so much from each and every one of you, and that's the beauty of diversity. When a diverse group of people come together to solve a problem, we are able to draw the best out of each and every one's unique ideas. Student government has been a place that has embodied our best values of charge and unity within diversity, which has made it so efficient and effective. As we draw the school year to a close, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for your unwavering dedication and passion to our student government. Together, we have accomplished remarkable feats and forged enduring connections that will continue to shape our community for years to come. Let's carry this spirit forward, united in our commitment to serving our peers and making a positive impact on the scholars community.
So, one last time, I am Faith, your high school vice president.
And I am Surya, your high school president. Now let's give it up for your new duo, Seline, Madam President, and Quinn, the new vice president.
All right, I'm a little for clap now. I'm a very emotional person. Those were beautiful speeches. I know you have the superpower, but that's also a superpower. And to acknowledge that and to draw on that strength, I've always had faith in this school, but man, I'm leaving today knowing I have faith in humanity right now. If you are the future, I could sleep really great at night. So congratulations to all of you, and thank you for your leadership. And with that, I have these so when you talk about it, we started together, right? We started together, and I had my first interview with the media team, and I was a wreck. I didn't even know what I was doing, and we've grown together. And I want to acknowledge this relationship that we've had. So for both of you, I have official, it's like big deal. New York State proclamations, they have to get voted on. It's very important for both of you, outlining all that you've done in the school. We could read each one, but come on up. This is really very formal. We could, do a little bit, let's see. Assemblywoman Stacey Pheffer Amato would like to honor Faith for her dedication service to Scholars Academy community through her work at student government. Faith has dedicated her tenure at the Scholars Academy to improving and uplifting the school community. And Faith's unwavering dedication to positively impacting the seawolves community is undoubted. Yours says, let's see, similar, so it says, Surya's ability to connect with our community and help students do the same has been profound to witness and experience. Surya's leadership amongst his fellow student government members has left an inspiring impact, and we are eager to see his legacy continue in the coming years, blah, blah, blah. It says it on both. What it just says is that we need more young people like you, or young adults, I should say, and this is to honor you for what you've done. You've set the bar high now, and we're going to continue. That's what makes us scholars. So, thank you both.
Put those on the dorm wall, and then over here.
Okay. As president of the student government at Scholars Academy, your duty is to serve as a thoughtful, intelligent, and fair leader to student government. Yours is a great responsibility, ensuring the proper attitude of cooperation, making sure that objectives of the student government are met, and maintaining a hardworking and respected student government. Repeat after me. We'll do it. On my honor, I
On my honor, I, Seline,
Do promise to uphold the standards
Do promise to uphold the standards
of the Scholars Academy Student Government
of the Scholars Academy Student Government
and to perform to the best
and to perform to the best
of my ability the duties of the office of president.
to the best of my ability the duties of the office of the president.
I now declare you duly installed as president of the Scholars Academy Student Government for the 2024-2025 school year. Vice President. This is awesome. As Vice President of Student Government at the Scholars Academy, your duty is to serve and aid the President and to be fully prepared at all times to prepare the times to perform the duties of the President whenever called upon to do so. Please repeat after me. On my honor, I say your name.
On my honor, I, Quinn,
Do promise to uphold the student standards of the Scholars Academy.
do promise to uphold the standards of the Scholars Academy Student Government.
Thank you. And to perform the duties to the best of my ability,
And to perform the duties to the best of my ability,
the duties of the office of the Vice President.
the duties of the office of the Vice President.
I now declare you duly installed as Vice President of the Student Council of Scholars Academy. What does it say, Montfort? Who is that? Oh, I'm sorry, Montfortan School. No. Of the Scholars Academy. I'm just joking. This concludes it. Welcome your new President and Vice President. I didn't know if it was a joke.
I really liked their saying this morning at 8 a.m.
Hi everyone, my name is Zia.
My name's Kenia.
And we have two very special media team seniors in the room here with us, and that is Mekhi and Patrick. So we just have a few words for both of them. They're really shy, I promise. Okay, so we would like to thank you both for all the tremendous contributions you have made to the media team. Some would even call you guys the trailblazers of the media team. Patrick, as the leader of live streaming subdivision, you have effortlessly led your team in producing outstanding results. Thanks to your endless dedication to your team, the school community witnesses sports events both in and out of the school building. You have also stepped up on numerous occasions to record and photograph radio bingo and decades dance events. And more often than not, you are always willing to lend a helping hand in your free time when not many other people would step up to the plate. You have left incredibly big shoes to fill, and you will be doing this. And for Mekhi, where do we even start? You are single-handedly the backbone of Scholars Academy's theater tech team. Your extensive knowledge on all things lighting and sound related have elevated our assemblies, performances, and celebrations. The theater tech team would not exist without your dedication and expertise. And on top of that, you make being a part of this team fun, and you make it feel like a family. You have left incredibly big shoes to fill, and you will be dearly missed. Personally, Zia and I will truly miss you in our dynamic trio, and you have been a true mentor to both of us, and our team will be the same without you. On behalf of us, Mr. Racinos, and the entire media team, we would like to say a big thank you and good luck on your future endeavors.
I'm back. Some beautiful citation from Mekhi. Please come up and congratulations. Patrick, you were like up to my shoulders. Jeez, Maurice, when we started this trip. Thank you for everything you've done. Thank you. This is for you. I know, quiet, but you've done amazing work. Let's move, shift over a little bit so we can do the photo shop. Come on, here we go.
Sorry.
Who's taking over? All right, like, look at this face. You got to work on this, okay? Just, you know how it is. Thank you both for everything that you've done. And I heard it said before about big shoes to fill, right? So this is my line, you can all steal it, because I was last year appointed to a huge committee on the state level. And everyone talked about the guy that was before me. I'm only the second woman in history taking the position. And that, 20 years he was there and big shoes to fill. So my answer to that, for anybody who says that to you, bring your own damn shoes. Don't fill anybody else's shoes, ever. You bring your own and you make your space and your path. And we've done, and I say we, it's Irene, it's my whole team, because they support me here when I'm up there. We've done amazing work that they haven't seen in 20 years. So just bring your own shoes. That's all I have to say.
Before we snack, Seline has something quick to say, and then we'll have a little montage playing in the background. And then we're kind of free to hang out, mingle, talk to the Assemblywoman, talk to each other. Go ahead, Seline.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
On behalf of the entire student government, I would like to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to Faith and Surya. I have never known a student government without you guys in it. Your dedication to our student body is admirable. The hard work that you have put into making our school community a more inclusive place through several events, including and most notably the Multicultural Night, will serve as inspiration for all future student endeavors. You guys are the blueprint. Faith, the biggest cheerleader. The light and positivity you radiate is irreplaceable. In your high school experience, you've brought the student body to life, and your presence will be missed. Surya, your commitment to your academics and to student government is unlike anything I've ever seen before. I remember all the flyers you used to make for all of our events. The Civics for All Fair would not have been the success it was without you guys, and it has been an honor to work beside you. We made the slideshow to show our appreciation and to remind you of your contributions. You both will be greatly missed. Please come back to visit. Congratulations and good luck. You guys will leave a lasting impression wherever you go. NYU and Yale are lucky to have you.
So you guys can watch the slideshow. Patrick and Mekhi, you're in it too. I'm excited. We did some digging in those meetings. And anyone come on up? Do you want to watch?
Oh, jeez.